FASER is a new experiment that shows how particles interact with dark matter. In this video we'll learn about what FASER is, and how the University of Washington Department of Physics is taking part in its progress. FASER, or Forward Search Experiment, was approved by CERN's Research Board in March 2019. The experiment seeks to understand particles that scientists believe may interact with dark matter. Associate Professor Zhu of University of Washington Physics is one of the many FASER scientists involved in the experiment's progress. Go Dogs! FASER studies interactions of high-energy neutrinos. Unlike visible matter, which makes up us and our world, most matter in the universe consists of dark matter. Searching for and finding light and weakly interacting particles may reveal the nature of dark matter and the origin of neutrino masses. Researchers believe that LHC's collisions produce the light and weakly interacting particles that FASER is designed to detect. These may be long-lived particles, traveling hundreds of meters before they decay into other particles that FASER will measure. The FASER detector is 5 meters long, or about 16.5 feet, and 2 scintillator stations sit at its entrance. The detector contains a dipole magnet followed by a spectrometer that consists of 2 dipole magnets, with 3 tracking stations with precision silicon strip detectors, 2 at either end, and 1 between the magnets. FASER will also have a subdetector, called FASER-Nu, which is specifically designed to detect neutrinos. FASER-Nu is made up of emulsion films and tungsten plates to act as both the target and the detector to see the neutrino interactions. FASER-Nu should be ready for installation by the end of the year. The final component is the electromagnetic calorimeter. This will identify high-energy electrons and photons and measure the total electromagnetic energy. The whole detector is cooled down to 15 degrees Celsius or 59 degrees Fahrenheit by an independent cooling station. Subscribe to keep up with physics. Go Dogs!